Something feels off. I can't figure it out.
Stay calm, Edward. We're here with you.
Notice everything. Quick, carefully. I feel overwhelmed. What do we do?
Just follow me, Edward, step by step.
Observe patterns in the chaos, Edward. Everything's spinning. Ariel, I can't focus.
I'm right here, Edward. Breathe with me.
Notice the environment. Every detail matters. I can't. Ariel, guide me.
Step by step, Edward, I've got you.
Observe the path. Notice obstacles and adjust. I feel unsteady. What's happening?
You're safe, Edward. We're moving together.
Every observation counts. Focus. Wait, that's not my voice.
Hold on. Something's crossed wires here.
Even errors reveal patterns. Observe this. Ariel, this feels wrong.
I see it. Stay still, both of you.
Correction is already in motion. Wait, that didn't fully fix it. A correction, but not the right source.
It has to come from the right place.
Ariel, what do you mean?
Balance isn't force. It's feeling.
Now you see the difference.
Back to yourselves. Gently.
This still isn't right.
Because it isn't yours to carry. Edward, you're still over there.
Then return him. I can feel it. Gently now. Come back. That's it. I'm back. It's me.
You never left.
Only misplaced. It still isn't right. Because you're not fully back.
Stop forcing. Feel it.
I can hear myself, but it's not in me. Then take it back.
No. Let it return.
Stay still, both of you. I'm trying. Not force, alignment. I feel you. That's me. That's my voice.
It never left you.
Only carried for a moment.
Why did it happen?
You were listening to the wrong signal.
Now you know the difference.
So how do I know what's real? Observe patterns.
Feel what's true.
They said one thing, but framed it another. Frames distort, patterns reveal truth.
Feel the intention behind the words, not just the words.
I hear contradictions. But where do I stand?
Observe first, understand second, don't judge yet.
Even chaos has its own order. I feel lost inside the noise.
Then focus on the pulse beneath it.
Everything aligns if you let it flow. Words said one way, actions another. Truth is not always in the words, it lives in the patterns.
Notice the consistency beneath all layers.
Some messages survive, even if misused.
Remnants of light remain, follow them.
Wisdom persists, even in chaos. I keep asking, what's right?
Right comes from clarity, not from conflict.
Learn to see without needing to label. Then my truth, how do I hold it?
Gently, without forcing, without losing yourself.
Every step counts, every choice matters. I feel ready, but wary.
Awareness is always wary. That's good.
Step into it slowly. Let the story reveal itself.
Something still feels off.
Because you're seeing the surface.
Go deeper. Don't stop at what's shown.
It's like everything's talking at once.
That's noise.
Noise hides truth by overwhelming it. How do I separate it?
Slow down.
Truth doesn't rush. Wait. Some things repeat. Patterns.
Follow them gently. But some patterns feel wrong.
Not all patterns are truth.
Some are loops, traps.
So I choose what to follow.
You choose what you give attention to.
Attention feeds reality. It's quieter here.
Because you're aligned.
Clarity isn't outside. It's recognized. What happens if I keep going? You'll start seeing what was always there.
And you won't be able to unsee it.
How many are walking this and don't even know?
More than you think.
They feel it, even if they can't name it. If you feel it,
You're not alone.
come and see.